today it's not just any haul, Savannah haul. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today it's not just any haul. Wait. It's Savannah. कहाँ गया? Savannah कहाँ है? ये रहा. It's Savannah haul. Like I recently did a shoot with Savannah and they were very sweet to give me a chance to buy from their app, and I ordered some stuff, like a lot of stuff. इसमें साड़ी है and plus मैंने अलग से एक order place किया था तो वो भी आ गया था at the same time, so I thought why not compile it and make it a Savannah haul. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's get right into the Savannah haul. Okay, so मैंने jeans पहनी हुई है, so it is the most convenient. We start with the tops, and I got a lot of them. I love this. ये मेरे Pinterest board में तब से था before it became a trend, and I absolutely love the fit. मैंने surprisingly M size मंगाया था and it is fitting me very well. But these size check करके करना because I have ordered small, extra small and medium. All of these sizes just for me. So आपको देख के order करना. I'll try the next one now. Okay, oh my god, I love this. I ordered this top from Savannah. Pants are old from H&M, but just have a look at this top. Just have a look at the back. Like the turtleneck is so comfortable, and at the back also they have very soft buttons. I think that the green color will look this good on me, but I guess we are wrong. Okay, so I kind of love and hate this top at the same time because the fitting is nice. From the back it's like perfect as I wanted it, but from the front it was a short आ रहा है. I mean, I wanted this part कि थोड़ा यहाँ तक आए, you know, वो complete top वाली fitting आए और मैं comfortable रहूँ सारा टाइम, मैं इसको ऐसे नीचे नहीं करती रहूँ. So you should go for it, but again please size check करके मंगाना because I guess I'm gonna return this for the size. Okay, girls, back me up on this. Don't tell me आपकी YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest कैसे tops नहीं हैं. I mean, it's 2025 and कैसे नहीं है? Just look how it looks on me, how in general the top is so classy, it's so nice. What kind of disappointed me Savannah से is this slit. ये slit बहुत लंबा है. I thought this slit like यहाँ से होगा, you know, just the end में भी होगा, but अगर आप front से देखो, so you may see this and it is nice. मुझे बुरा नहीं लग रहा है ये top, but only if ये यहाँ से भी proper होता, I would have loved it. I love this top. This is very Pinteresty and the cute little bow. You can check it out from the back. सीधा Pinterest board से बाहर निकल के मेरे ऊपर आया है guys. Will go with white jeans, blue jeans, shorts, skirts, you name it, and this should go with it. I absolutely love it, and this is again in size S. Thank God मैंने XS नहीं मंगवाया, वरना वो यहाँ से छोटा होता, यहाँ से दिख देता. But this is like my perfect size. One is a little unusual, जो मेरे wardrobe में ऐसा नहीं है piece, but I love it. ये एक proper streetwear है, and I wanted to try streetwear कि how it looks on me. Extra small मंगाना चाहिए था because यहाँ से थोड़ा loose है, but उसमें एक problem होती है कि वो मुझे यहाँ से short ना आता. And I just hate mid crops. मतलब या तो crop top हो तो crop top हो पूरा, but आधा crop and आधा waist दिख रहा है. I'm done with that. Another streetwear sweatshirt, and I ordered it for 2000 something, but that is a little disappointing because the fabric is very patla. I thought अगर मैं ठंड में पहनना चाहूँ तो इसके नीचे मुझे कुछ नहीं पहनना चाहिए था. I'm spending 2000 on this, but you know, पतला है, but it's fine. Also मुझे size M मंगाना चाहिए था because S में the sleeves are like short to me. One is everywhere. ये मैंने एक्चुअली उनके शूट पे भी पहना था, so I know कि मेरे फेस पे कैसा लगेगा. And ever since, and yeah, see, I don't know आपको दिख रहा है कि नहीं, but this is sunglasses. But I don't wear them, but I have to start wearing them because मेरी eyes पे काफ़ी effect होगी. So I thought, why not wear it with style? Next I ordered these little cute strawberry earrings. These are so cute, and मेरे पास 2 earrings upon 90 rupees. I absolutely love these and I love these. So that's it for my accessories. So मैं देखी थी and I was like, ये मैंने क्या order कर दिया? And I'm not wrong. I mean, what is this fit, Savannah? This is a S. I mean, जब मैं सारे कपड़े S और M के बीच में मंगा रही हूँ, and सारी measurements मैंने check करके मंगाई थी, but what is this? But this should have been like this. Fitting का होता, snatched I want. But अगर अब मैं alter भी करवाऊँगी, तो इसकी length और छोटी हो जाएगी dress की, and I don't like इतनी छोटी dresses. But this is still acceptable. But what is this? मैं change करके आ रही हूँ. This is the dress. I mean, I was doubting it कि मुझे ये size M में मंगाना चाहिए था because of the length. Because मुझे इससे हल्की लंबी dresses I like. This is also fine. I can work with it. Blue and white. I absolutely love it. I love how it like fits on me. I'm just so happy with this dress. कि जो last dress का trauma था वो. This dress is looking this good on me. I mean, this is how it fits from the back. It has this is like the perfect black dress any girl can have in her wardrobe. A really classy piece to own it and wear it anywhere and anytime. मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं शीशे में देख के ही पूरा हॉल बना दूँ because मुझे सारे कपड़े इतने अच्छे लग रहे हैं. I just can't stop staring at myself. Haha. It's looking nice. It's really, and this is a slit पीछे to, you know, make it easy for us girls to walk. Skirt by Savannah, and मेरे को बहुत confusion हो रही है. Like I don't have an opinion on it because the length is fine if I wear it a little low waist. जहाँ मैं usually अपने denims and बाकी सब पहनती हूँ वहाँ से मेरी length छोटी पड़ रही है. And also I'm, you know, owning a satin dress for the first time. मैंने इससे पहले satin skirt कभी नहीं है मेरे पास मेरे wardrobe में. So I guess I'll learn how to style it, and it's cute. Overall it's cute. If you want to order for yourself and you usually wear skirts, then please go ahead. Fabric is really nice. जैसा फोटो में दिखता है वैसा ही है. And with that we are done with the Savannah haul. My overall experience shopping from Savannah was really nice. I give it a thumbs up. There were few disappointments, but then again, online shopping है, होता रहता है. I hope you guys liked my picks or whatever I bought. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.